Do you enjoy watching me rage?
Yes. No way. He's alive. He's alive.
What is that, dude?
Weird looking crab.
Oh my god. Dude, what the f is that, dude?
No way.
We are gonna try to find a seahorse inside the seaweed. We're walking back out now to this pile of seaweed, which if you can only imagine how much is in this seaweed. See that crab? Look how good they blend in. What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. We are here at the deep pot of home. I got my buddy Gio here with me today, and we're gonna be making a beach pond. I've done this in the past. I was actually, not to toot my own horn, but I was the very first YouTuber to ever do the beach pond, okay? Many creators have done it since and blown me away in views, but that's fine. You haven't done it yet?
Not yet.
The beach ponds they're a classic, good old project, and they're really fun to do. So today is actually the day that we're gonna make another one, and it's been years since I've done the last one, and this one is not gonna be like the last one. It's gonna be a lot different. We're gonna put some crazy saltwater fish in it. So hopefully, we're gonna catch a bunch of really cool species and have them inside of our homemade pond once we get to the beach and set all this up. Before we even grab the pond, Gio, I totally forgot a shovel, dude.
How can you forget, Paul?
How can I forget a shovel? Dude, this one looks gnarly.
Original Husky.
Oh my god. That works.
Let's go.
It looks like that'll do. Now we don't even need a shovel. I got a different idea today. Blue. Step one complete. Gotta get the pool pond itself. And I have like 5 of these at home. I don't know why. I always come back and get another one. My pigs love these. The emu loves it. So regardless, even after this video, take this back home. Next thing we need is our outer outline here. This looks just like pilings too. Almost like in the ocean, how there's pillars on docks. Kind of looks like that, so I feel like this would be kind of cool. One does like this much, maybe like 2 of them.
Yeah, literally perfect.
That's perfect. We have our pool pond, we have our, plants. How do we forget plants? We need 2 plants.
Today,
we're out of it. These would be kind of nice. Unfortunately, the price tag is a little out of budget. No, those are big. We don't need that big though. The same exact thing. That one looks like it just got burnt in a house fire.
Look at that one in the back.
Oh, that one too, dude. There's a reason why these are probably not too much money.
Look at the one in the back. But he is toasted.
Oh, he's actually burnt in a house fire. That's a little bit greener. Oh, is there another one back here hiding? There is another one. This one might be green. It might be dead or it might be green.
A little dead, but
I'd say it's a little dead, but it's good enough. Take this one. These look awesome. This brings me back to the old days. I feel like we're literally filming a video that I had filmed many years ago. All right, I think we're into this for about 45 bucks here, 26 bucks here. This is something you can very easily do in your backyard even, as long as you put a filter in it. This could literally keep platies, mollies, everything like that. Just cheap as heck. 92.07, that's with tax too? Say less, we're under 100. Oh yeah, baby. We got our whole pool pond right there.
it's kind of lopsided.
Our palm trees are going to be more healthy on that beach than they were in that back of Home Depot. Just imagine seeing someone come out of Home Depot with this cart right here. You're probably wondering what the heck are they doing?
Yeah, dude, no doubt. Dude,
that one needs to be planted on the beach right now. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Got the whole pond in the back. Let's get things rolling. We have made it under the bridge where we are going to build our pond. Our pond is over there right now. It is just covered in seaweed over here though. Like the whole bank is seaweed. No way. He's alive. He's alive. Oh my gosh. No way. There's a sargassum fish right here stuck in the mud. And I thought to myself, I'm gonna try. No, I'm gonna try to get him alive in here. They're really cool fish. They blend in with the seaweed. Unfortunately, this one was just laying on the bank. I'm not sure what might have happened. These fish blend in with the seaweed. You would almost not even know that that was in there. You see that fish right there? You got a crab? Oh, so much crazy stuff. I'm gonna put this thing a little bit deeper. What is that, dude? What is that? Can I try to grab it? I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is. I don't want to get bit. What if it's poisonous?
Just looks like a big old crab. What a weird looking crab.
Oh my god! Dude, what the f is that, dude? I'm like a bunch of little kids, dude. Where'd it go? Where did it go?
Gotta be.
No, dude, I'm done. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. That thing's claws. could rip my finger off. All right, we've been here for like literally 30 seconds. We found a sargassum fish on the bank, a live crab, and then some other sort of crab that I've never seen in my entire life. When I went to pick it up, its claws looked like they could eat me alive, so I had to drop it. I'm sorry. Look how cool that little crab is though.
So this is like a seaweed, kind of like a sargassum crab.
Yeah, it is, pretty much.
So they,
blend right in.
Around with the seaweed. See, like watch this.
Blend right in.
Look at the shrimp.
Is that a shrimp?
Yeah.
Dude, what is going on?
Oh my god.
What is going on? We haven't even set up the pond yet, dude. We're catching more stuff just in the seaweed. Wait, dude, I've never seen that type of shrimp in my life.
It's like a peacock circle.
That is incredibly beautiful. Wow. Watch him swim away.
Look at it,
He looks
couldn't even
just
tell.
like seaweed.
Looks like a little stick.
That is nuts. That's nuts. And it's low right now. All this seaweed probably has a lot of stuff in it. What is that?
Look at him.
That's a live one.
Yeah.
Or is that the one?
No, dude,
that's the one.
He's swimming. Look.
He's alive.
No
He's alive. That's
way.
him. That's the one.
That's gotta be him, right? Look at how his colors have changed.
Is that the same one?
He's alive though. So I'm swimming around on the bottom. I think we saved him, dude. Let's go.
I think we saved him. I'm actually proud of that. That was a full-on rescue.
Good
He was
job.
literally sunk in the sand, dying. We've got all the materials we want to make this pond over here. Aside from all the madness that just went down when we first walked up, it's time to officially now build our pool pond. So yeah, let's get started.
I know we're sitting at the palm trees right now, but how are we gonna fill that thing with water?
I know. Thought about that. We don't have a bucket.
I can go grab one of those white buckets up by the garbage.
Yes, you're
Okay.
you're so smart. The pond is fully done. We've got agua inside. It looks pretty good. You trying to jump in?
Imagine I just dove right in.
Got a good old bag of shrimp. So what you want to do is take your shrimp, take the head off, take the tail off, so you just squeeze the back of the tail. It'll take a lot of the shell off. Then you take from the middle of the belly, peel back. You got a fully peeled shrimp right there. And that's all the fish really care to eat anyway. Unless it's a monster fish, which we're clearly not going for with the setup we have today. Obviously our little weight, little tiny hook, shrimp on the end.
Oh yeah.
Money.
Money. Any bites?
Oh yeah. Got him.
Oh yeah.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
First bait.
Oh
First
yeah.
cast. Let's go. What do we got?
What do we got? Oh,
Sergeant Major, baby.
Let's go. Look at the colors on that thing, dude.
Beautiful. Now, when I get my saltwater pond up and flowing, we're gonna get a whole school of these things right here.
Look at that.
We are gonna get a whole school. No! I caught him again. All right, buddy.
First fish in the
See you later, home slice.
Ooh, that's
And look how yellow it is in that bin.
so yellow.
Perfect.
Getting fancy with it now?
Give it 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, give it 3. Oh yeah. Flip her around into the other side. Fully hidden hook. Fish don't even know it's coming. They bite it and just, we're getting pecked at, we're getting pecked at, we're getting pecked at. Come on, give me something good.
I see a big sargassum crab. Oh, no? I missed him?
See him?
Yes.
See him?
Dude, no way! That is sick! Oh no! Don't lose him.
I'm not. I'm
He's
getting
gotta go to the
seaweed.
pool pond.
Yeah.
Kyle.
I'm gonna put some
A
seaweed.
shrimp! We got a shrimp!
I'm gonna put some seaweed in. There is a
We
shrimp.
got a shrimp!
That's probably what was kicking in my hand. All right, this completely turned into a seaweed search instead of fishing. We have caught one fish. It was a Sergeant Major, but this is almost like we can't pass up the fact that there's just literally fish everywhere. We're walking back out now to this pile of seaweed, which if you can only imagine how much is in this seaweed. We don't even have a net. Imagine we had a net. See that crab? Look how good they blend in. You barely could see him. He's right here. See him? He's gonna try to pinch me. Yeah, I see you. We are gonna try to find a seahorse inside the seaweed. Look at that one. He's all dark. Oh yeah, I gotta put him in the pool pond. Oh, there he goes. The Sergeant Major we just caught. There's a bunch of little baby ones right here. You see how tiny they are up on the side? They're swimming up under the seaweed as well. There's so much life that lives up under all of this seaweed right here. It's beautiful. That is
there's two of them.
There's 2 of them, but that's pregnant. You can see how she has a fatter stomach. See, there's a feather stomach. It's probably the mom and dad, to be honest with you. I'm not even gonna bother with those. Oh wow, good eye, bro.
Look at that.
Good eye.
Now, if only you guys
that.
could actually feel what these fish...
look how tiny. It feels like leather.
Like, yeah, like sandpapery, like leather. That little guy, we'll let him go. He's a little small.
Wow.
See you, buddy.
And during high tide, the water will rise past all the stuff that we're actually on right here. And all the fish will get pulled back out with that seaweed. So if you want to see us come back at a high tide and actually strictly search through with a net, smash the like button. I'm gonna probably have to come back out here and do that, bro. That is so cool. There's so much to see in this.
We'll come out here with like a little aquarium, like a little glass aquarium.
Yeah, we can put everything in the glass aquarium.
Yeah, that would be sick.
Oh my gosh, he is fast. That is a little, that is a little tiny like jack or something. Put him in the seaweed, yeah. Oh, I had him, dude, I had him. We need a net, bro. We need a net. We don't have a net. We did not come prepared at all for that. For the seaweed stuff.
Look at this.
We got one finally. I was looking.
Dude,
we were looking
for
this thing.
If you saw that floating, you would never.
They probably still can't see until you get really close. It is a smaller version of that same sargassum fish. It's not the same one. This is much smaller. Look at that crazy creature.
Look at that thing, dude.
Like, what in the heck?
Dude,
that is
like
nuts.
Jello.
I know, they're super, super weird, bro. And they don't really move at all. They have like these weird arms. Let's put them in the pond.
Go right into the seaweed.
So weird, bro. So we've got a file fish over there. We have our sargassum fish right there. We have a couple crabs in here. Under here somewhere is our sergeant major.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Look at me, changed colors completely. There he is. I think I'm gonna break the rod back out and see if we can catch anything really, really cool down there at the bottom of the ocean. I'm looking for a nice snapper. I would love a big snapper.
You on?
I don't know.
Nope.
Seaweed. Another one?
Look at that.
Dude, we're sitting here fishing and this man just pulls out another sargassum fish. And as you're fishing out here, you just look straight down and you try to find stuff in the seaweed.
Everywhere. I mean, it is actually thriving with life over here.
God, you enjoy watching me rage?
Yes.
Because I like to rage when I fish. Fortunately, but unfortunately today, we're catching more with our dang bare hands than we are with a fishing rod. So we've kind of just been rocking with that. I mean, we have a good amount of stuff inside that pool pond. Let's go take a look.
Let's go. The amount of different life that we've seen throughout all this seaweed is actually crazy. Filefish, sergeant majors, crabs, those crazy sargassum fish. It has been crazy out here.
It's pretty awesome to see how many different species are actually just in this vicinity in the matter of 45 minutes. We've probably been here for 45 minutes.
Maybe even less.
Everything. Now with the leftover shrimp, we're just gonna take the shrimp. Look, they're blue. They're like blue.
They are blue.
It's so weird. And feed them. Yep. Oh. They have this little horn that will prevent any predators from swallowing them, and they can defend themselves with that horn. But for the most part, they are very cool fish. They feel just like leather. They have this weird texture. It's not slimy. You see, it's like almost like sandpaper. Go back right in with your seaweed, buddy.
Look at him right back.
Oh, he's trying to pinch me. See you later, buddy. I love how we go to Home Depot and get plants and stuff just to make it cool and presentable. And then we just take it apart when we're done. It was a fun day. I'm gonna try to catch this.
He's gonna be hard to catch. You got him.
Oh, such a beautiful fish. See you, buddy.
See you later. Go find your friends.
He's a little lost over here. He'll make his way out.
He's figuring it out. There you go.
Boom! Gets eaten. I want to make sure everything in the pond that is even microscopic that we don't see goes back in the water. So we brought this pond to the water.
See ya.
And there goes the rest of it, Cuffaros. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Again, if you want to see more stuff just like this, smash the like button. Subscribe down below. I love doing these beach ponds. They're always so much fun. Big shout out to Gio for helping me catch all these exotic species. He's got the eye for the chameleons. So when it comes to seaweed hunting, he's the guy to come with for sure. I'll leave Gio's channel down in the description down below. Go check him out. I'm gonna see you right back here in the next one. Peace.
Pistachio nut blend.
Mamma mia.